Have you ever wondered why some people get mind-blowing results from AI, while others get answers that are boring, wrong, or completely useless? It's not because they have a better AI. It's because they know how to communicate with AI like a professional. Today, I will teach you the exact step-by-step system of real prompt engineers, the same method used by developers, researchers, and high-income AI freelancers. This is not theory. This is practical, real-world knowledge you can use today. Let's start. Section 1. Why most people use AI wrong. Most beginners open ChatGPT or Gemini and type something like, "Write me an essay. Give me business ideas. Make me a video script." AI does respond. But the output is always average, generic, and not unique. Why? Because AI behaves like a mirror. It reflects the quality of your instructions. Per prompt, poor output. Professional prompt, professional output. Real example. Two people ask the same AI to create a business plan. One gets a simple 3-paragraph answer. The other gets a 10-page investor-ready professional document. The difference? Prompt engineering. Section 2. The Aser method, your full prompt framework. This is the exact framework you will use every time you talk to AI. A. Assign a role. Begin by telling the AI who it should act as. Example. Act as a senior business consultant with 15 years experience. Act as a professional YouTube scriptwriter. Act as a university-level economics professor. This instantly changes the quality of the response. S. Set the situation. Tell the AI the background and context. This makes the answer relevant and accurate. Example. I am a university student in Ethiopia trying to start a YouTube channel. I need simple English because my audience is global. My video length must be 10 minutes. E. Explain the task clearly. Tell the AI exactly what you need. Example. Write a detailed script, with real-world examples, minimum 1,000 words. Create a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Generate a business plan including marketing, revenue, and target audience. R. Refine the output. After the AI responds, you improve it. Tell AI. Rewrite with stronger hooks. Add real Ethiopian examples. Improve the structure. Make it more emotional. This is the exact technique used by pro prompt engineers. Section 3. Words you must use to talk to AI. These magic words change everything. This is where most people fail. 1. Act as. This is the most powerful prompt starter. Examples. Act as a psychologist. Act as a marketing expert. Act as a coding teacher. AI changes its personality instantly. 2. Imagine you are. Good for creativity and unique solutions. Examples. Imagine you are Steve Jobs. Imagine you are a top 1% YouTube expert. 3. You are an expert in. Helps the AI use technical and accurate knowledge. Example. You are an expert in modern machine learning. 4. Give me steps. / Break it down. This forces AI to simplify complex topics. 5. Rewrite, refine, improve. Instead of accepting the first output, professional prompt engineers always refine. 6. From now on. Useful for long conversations. Example. From now on, write in simple English. 7. Use real-world examples. Makes the output practical. 8. Use Ethiopian context. Helps the content feel local and relatable. Section 4. Real-world asterisk examples of good versus bad prompts. Bad prompt. Explain inflation. Good prompt. Act as an economics teacher. Explain inflation to a beginner. Use Ethiopian examples, simple English, and real-life situations like food price increases. Completely different output. Bad prompt. Write me a YouTube video. Good prompt. Act as a professional YouTube scriptwriter. Write a 10-minute video script about why people use AI wrong. Include story-based hooks, emotional language, and clear explanations. Bad prompt. Help me start a business. Good prompt. Act as a business mentor. Suggest 10 online business ideas suitable for Ethiopia, low capital, high demand. Include expected income, skills needed, and first week action plan. Section 5. How prompt engineering makes money? Prompt engineering is one of the most profitable skills in 2025 and beyond. You can earn money by building AI content for companies, writing scripts for YouTubers, creating automated TikTok channels, building bots, writing ads, blogs, and SEO content, helping small businesses use AI. In fact, many freelancers charge $20 to $50 per high-quality prompt. Section 6. Final advice. Always remember, AI is not replacing people who use it. AI is replacing people who don't know how to use it. Learn prompt engineering now, and you will always stay ahead. If you enjoyed this full beginner-friendly course on prompt engineering, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and comment which AI skill you want next. And all the AI tools I mentioned are in the description, including ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly, Quillbot, and Khan Academy's AI tutor. See you in the next video.